What's up guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about accessories for the DJI Mavic Mini. If you've not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button below and also click the bell button to get notifications when I post new videos. Now let's get to it. So in my previous video, I talked about the Mavic Mini, I talked about its specifications, and today we're going to be talking about accessories that you could use for a Mavic Mini. First, I want to start with this one. This one it's a landing pad. So usually when you go out to fly your Mavic Mini, you don't want to place your Mavic Mini on the floor, or you don't want to place it on the casing. You need somewhere to be able to fly it, your Mavic Mini for takeoff. You have this landing pad here, and it has two sides. Here is the orange and the other side is the black, whichever you prefer. But usually I prefer flying with the orange. And in the landing part, you have here these pegs. So usually, you for instance, you're flying out and it's a bit windy, or you don't want this to fly away. You have these pegs to be able to peg them down to the floor, and also, for instance, you want to fly when there's not a lot of light, you have this reflective stickers, so you place them around the edge, usually here, and here, or on the other side, whichever you prefer. And then you have the visibility, so when you're flying in your remote controller, you can see the reflective light from that. Okay, and I will put this away. Now, next, we have this. So usually when you place your Mavic Mini or to fly on the floor, it's usually level with the ground. Or so this, for instance, you have your Mavic Mini out, and then you want to fly. But you can see the Mavic Mini is it's just flush with the ground. So you want to give it a bit of height, so you don't have to when you land, it doesn't affect your Mavic Mini, the body doesn't hit the ground. You have this guy here. It's just a high landing gear, so you can basically just attach this. And then it's very easy to install, and then you have it this way. And one thing is that it doesn't cover the air vents, it doesn't cover the camera down to sense, the button, everything. It's just really nice, and you see it gives a bit of height to your Mavic Mini. The propellers wouldn't touch the ground, none of this. And it's really easy to install. And also it's lightweight. I believe it wouldn't add a lot of weight, so you can still keep the 150 gram. Up next, we have this reflective stickers. So usually the Mavic Mini, because of the color of the Mavic Mini, there's not a lot of contrast between the Mavic Mini and the sky. So it's very difficult to see your Mavic Mini when you're flying it. But with these stickers, they're kind of reflective, so you can fly at night. And then you have about 8 stickers in them, so you can put them front, back, and all the sides of the Mavic Mini. Finally, you have this part here. So basically we have this guy here, and they used to hold the propeller in place. So I'm just gonna show you how you can use that. So when you have your Mavic Mini folded, then you just place this. So it just goes right above the motors here, and below on the other side you have one here and the other side. So basically it just helps you keep your propeller in place, so you could store them back, and then you don't have them dangling around. They're better ones you can find, but these ones are really cheap, and then they're just easy accessories you can get for your Mavic Mini. I'm gonna put the links where you can get these accessories in the description below, so you can check that out, and you can buy them if you like them. If you've not subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and also click the bell button to get notifications when I post new videos. See you in the next one.